Today we are analyzing Microsoft. It's one of the stock of Magnificent 7 series for April 28, 2025. We're going to keep analysis very simple so that even a 12-year-old can follow it and make sense out of the analysis. So as part of the analysis, we will cover daily trend, how the weekly setup is looking. We'll look at some key price points and also watch outs if any. If you like our video and content, you can follow us on our YouTube channel, and you can also visit our blog. Link is provided below in the description. Let's jump into the chart. We are looking at Microsoft chart here on a daily time frame. On the chart, we have marked the trend line connecting to the high of this point of this bar, as well as this bar, which serves as a resistance for the price to move higher. If the price can move higher than this level that is marked on the trend line, then there could be a reversal in the bullish momentum. A reversal, we can see a reversal with the bullish side. But as of now, for this day, the price is not looking good. If you look at our arrow that we are pointing here, the bars are red, closing lower side of the day on each days for last 4 days. And it has also kind of broken the level of this bar, which is 367.80 low, as you can see in this area. And the low that we got on Thursday is 366.89. So this low is breached by this candle. So next week, at least on Monday and Tuesday or next couple of days, we should expect to see some more follow through on the downside. But the short term, if the markets continue to be impacted by the tariff news or any kind of event, we could see much lower levels breaking this low point that I have marked here. But if the news is not that bad or like more neutral, then we can see some sideways action before we can move higher on this time frame. But if the news becomes too positive, like very positive, then there's a good chance that we can just uh, break this trend line and just move higher. But the probability seems to be low at this time unless some event happens overnight or next week with the tariff discussions that is happening between US and China. So let's look at what other aspects we can focus on this chart. So the volume is also not that, it's not picking up too much to convince us that it's going to be much more lower side on the chart follow through. But mostly sideways action is something that I can see. Let's look at the weekly trend and see how the chart is looking. Even on the weekly time frame, if we can draw to analyze the chart, we can see that the chart is putting a lower low, lower high kind of a setup. So we should expect to see some level of consolidation in this zone before we can move higher on the chart. So for people who are interested to buy and hold Microsoft, it's a good opportunity. As we can see on the chart from this high point of $468, the price has come down to like 345. So it's a good amount of correction, and you can buy the stock at 20% correction if your time horizon is to hold from 1 to 2 years or more. But if it's a short term kind of a trade, it's not obvious that it's going to be profitable at this point of time. That's all I have for the analysis of Microsoft between daily and weekly time frame, but definitely watch out for Monday and Tuesday's action. we could very well see some lower levels and consolidation in this zone for some more time. Thank you.